Alright Rick, this is your maintenance video regarding fuses, and you actually have two fuse boxes, one under the hood and one up under the dash here. So just remember, you've got two fuse boxes. Here's the first one, sitting here at the driver's seat. Over to the left here, you go down under. Here's your gas pedal, and then your brake pedal, and then to the left is just this footrest. There's just a footrest, and then to the left is the basically this plastic wall right here. This is your fuse box. There's a little tab up at the top. What you do is you just flip that tab, open up that little door right there, lift it out, and just set it down. There are your fuses. This little white thing right here, that's a fuse puller. These little colored deals right here are fuses, and you always want to replace a fuse that has the same number on it. Okay? And you use this to pull the fuses out. What you do is you just pull this out. That's its home. That's where it lives. Pull that out. And it has these little clipping teeth. What you do is you just grab onto one of those fuses. It just clips on automatically, just like that, and then you can pull the fuse out. And there it is. And that's how you can look at it and check, make sure it's good, and then you just put it right back in. You can also put the fuse back in just with your fingers. And then put that fuse puller back in its little home right there. Just like that. And remember to put this little plastic door back on. Also, to know what fuse goes to what, on the back side of this little plastic door is the guide to what fuse goes to what electrical device. Put the bottom end in first and then let the top snap in. Just like so. You're all set. And then the second fuse box is up under the hood by the battery. So let's go ahead and head up to the front of the vehicle. For you, the hood release valve, for you Rick, the hood release latch is kind of just to the above right of your Infinity logo. You pull up on that latch and then raise the hood up. And you raise the hood up with your left hand and then grab the prop rod with your right hand and prop it on the left side of the hood. And the spot where the hood prop is supposed to go, there's actually an arrow that points to the hole where the hood prop goes. So here's the hood prop, and here's the arrow pointing to this hole where the hood prop goes. Alright, here we are at the front of the vehicle, and the second fuse box is right over here where the battery is. Over here under this black plastic panel that says battery on it. Let's go ahead and move over to the side. So this is the battery compartment here. It says right here battery. What you do is first you can go ahead and lift out this battery cover with these two latches right here, just like that. That lifts out. You can set that aside. You can see your batteries right here, and then that fuse box is up underneath here. It's this black rectangular plastic box under here, and you access that by removing these plastic snaps. Use those, release those with a small flathead screwdriver. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, okay? I've got a multi-tool here. I'm just going to go ahead and use this small flathead screwdriver to first pop up the center of the snap and then pull out the entire snap. So making sure that nothing metal touches the battery. Pop up the center part of that snap, and then that allows the entire snap to come out. Just like a turkey thermometer. So set those off to the side where you can keep track of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Five. And then pull out this plastic cover right here, just like so. Set that aside. And then here's your fuse box, this little rectangular black plastic box here. And it has a guide, which relays and which fuses are in which position here. And there are latches on either side, so you just pinch those, remove the cover. On the cover you can see the writing that shows which position is for which fuse or relay on there. And then here they are. These nice little colorful fuses and relays. And you just pull them out either with your hands, or you can borrow your fuse puller from inside the vehicle. So you've got fuses and you've got some relays here. And then the cover, you just snap that back in place. Make sure that the writing is right side up. Okay, that's back in place. Just reverse the order of taking it apart. Here's that cover. Just line up those holes for the snaps, and then we've got 5 snaps. Make sure that the center is popped up when you push them in, and then push that center button down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you've got this panel back in, and then now the battery cover. Stick those 3 tabs in the 3 slots, and then these 2 snaps fit in those 2. You can read the word battery, and you just press it down, snaps into place. There you are. Get your tools all out of the way, and that's how you access your fuse box under the hood.